Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. Hello and welcome. Today, our group will discuss about Balance Scorecard from the customer perspective. Definition of Balance Scorecard or BSC is a term in English that was developed from the words balance and scorecard. Balance means that there is a balance between financial performance and non-financial performance, short and long performance, and successful internal performance with successful external performance. The Balance Scorecard is a strategic management system widely in use by business and industry, government, and non-profit organizations worldwide that supports business activities. To enhance internal and external communication, apprise the organizational performance about the strategic goals, and develop the organizational vision and strategy. From its inception, the Balance Scorecard has undergone a revolution to stand out as one of the significant tools to help organizations enhance strategic thinking and improve management system. While most of the management strategies use more sound concepts, BSC does so in a unique way that translates the organizational goals and strategy into a more specific objective with measurable metrics. Unlike just measuring the financial dimension alone, a Balanced Scorecard or BSC methodology can use other dimensions for measurement, for instance, non-financial ones such as for the public sector. It may be used in the public sector to monitor and assess organizational performance from several angles internally, from the customer or service perspective, from the financial perspective, and from other perspectives.
Balance Scorecard from customer perspective. The customer perspective shows how the entity provides value to its customer, as well as consumer satisfaction with the company's product or service. Customer satisfaction is a significant indicator of a company's success. How well a company treats its customer has a direct impact on its profitability. The Balance Scorecard evaluates a company reputation in comparison to its competitors. This allows the company to get out of its comfort zone and see itself through the eyes of the customer rather than only from within. A corporation can employ customer-focused metrics such as, for the first, how much is the sales turnover, the amount of profit the company makes, how many customers are obtained, the percentage of clients who stay loyal to the product, the level of customer happiness, and the last one is customer requirements.
Performance indicators in customer perspective. The customer perspective focuses on how a company satisfies and keeps its customer to achieve long-term success. Performance indicators in this perspective help the company understand and meet customer needs more effectively. The company uses several performance measures when considering the customer perspective, such as number 1, customer satisfaction. Companies can measure the level of customer satisfaction by conducting customer satisfaction surveys or providing product ratings. With this data, the company can determine whether customers are satisfied with the services and products we provide. Number 2, customer acquisition. This is a way for a company to measure the percentage of new customers that have been acquired. Whether a company is able to show that they get new customers through effective promotion or marketing strategies. Okay, so the next one is customer retention. Measurements made by the company to determine growth in the business with the number of customers currently owned and determine how to maintain it. This is the formula to measure the customer retention. The formula is number of existing customers divided by total number of customers and multiply it by 100%. Okay, so the last one is customer profitability. It shows how companies can retain loyal customers over time who provide great benefits to a company. By understanding customer profitability, companies can prioritize customers who provide greater value and manage resources and strategies to retain profitable customers while reducing costs or improving services for less profitable customers.
The next activity is to discuss the study case. We will break down the study case section into 5 parts. First is the main problem, second is the purpose, third are the performance indicators in customer perspective, fourth are the strategies, and last but not least are the result.
The main problem, Beauty Clinic Pretty Youth is a clinic that provides facial aesthetic and general skincare. The clinic wanted to improve its services by increasing customer satisfaction and attracting more new patients. They also wanted to retain existing patients to continue using the clinic services and increase the profitability of each customer. The purpose are for the first, increase patient satisfaction, increase the number of new patients, increase patient retention, and the last one is increase profitability per customer.
The next one is performance indicators in customer perspective. Customer satisfaction is conduct a satisfaction survey with a scale of 1 until 5. 1 is very dissatisfied and the last one is 5 very satisfied, and close with criticism and suggestion from customers. So there's 4 questions. The first one is comfort and cleanliness of the clinic with score total 4.7. 2. Friendliness and professionalism of nurses with score total 4.5. And 3. Satisfaction with treatment outcome with the score total is 5. And the last one is likely to recommend to other customers with the score total is 5. Next is customer acquisition. Measure the number of new patients per month and determine new patient growth targets. For example, initially 5% increase to 7.5% or more. Months January, the percentage is 5% and February with the percentage is 6.5% and the last one is March with last percentage is 7.5. So the next one is customer retention. Increase the percentage of patients who have used the clinic services again in the 6 first months. With total customer in January until June is 100 and compare it with the 6 last months with total customer in July until December is 150. With the total customer in 1 year is 250 customer. The calculation for the 6 first month is 100 divided by 250 and multiplied by 100% equals 40%. And the calculation for 6 last month is 150 divided by 250 and multiplied by 100% equals 60%. From the calculation above about the Pretty Us Clinic, customer retention in the initial 6 months is 40%. And at the end of the 6 months is 60%, which shows that there is an increase of about 20% and return customer who have come to the clinic to keep treatment at the Pretty Us Clinic. And the last one is customer profitability. Measuring profitability per customer, which is the average amount of profit generated from each patient in a given period. For example, determine the target profitability per customer is 550,000 rupiah per patient by offering a bundling package. Next is the strategies. The first one is service quality improvement. Listening to customers' feedback after filling out satisfaction surveys. For example, start improving the facilities and improve the professionalism and friendliness of clinic nurses by conducting a special training for nurses. Second, promotions for new patient acquisition. Increase the promotions, such as discounts for new patients or collaboration with famous influencers to get more customers to know the clinic. Third, patient retention program. Develop loyalty programs such as discount or free serum for regular visits to attract more patients. And the last one is increase customer profitability. Offer a more complete package of service, for example, annual facial and massage package, then has a higher profit margin.
Now is the results. After using the customer perspective balance scorecard, Pretty Us Clinic has successfully achieved targets on customer satisfaction, customer acquisition, and customer retention, but needs improvement to achieve customer profitability targets. In this case, the beauty clinic can provide more bundling options so that customers can consider which bundling is suitable for use according to their individual needs. So, that's all the discussion about the balance scorecard from the customer perspective and the study case. We are really sorry if we made a mistake. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.